Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Runaway Bay and we're going to give you an update on another hotel being constructed out here. Well, this one is actually being renovated. This used to be Jewel Paradise Cove, but Royalton has taken it over and it's turning it into a luxury hotel. It's going to be the Royalton Jamaica Paradise Cove. And this is going to be an all-inclusive, adults-only luxury resort. Now, Runaway Bay is the second fastest growing area in Jamaica. A lot of hotels are going up. KFC's opening a store out here, and a lot of villas like the Palm Beach Villas. Actually, the Palm Beach Villas are right next to this facility on the left. We'll show you a piece of it as we fly around. So a lot of activity is happening out here. Now, Jamaica on a whole is doing very well in the luxury tourism market. The only Caribbean island that has more hotel rooms than Jamaica is the Dominican Republic. But in terms of luxury hotel brands and luxury hotel rooms, Jamaica is definitely leading the way. And the Pinnacle in Montego Bay is going to become the first branded residence in Jamaica, and that's a high level for luxury development in Jamaica. Well, we'll talk more about that in another video. But luxury hotels are doing extremely well. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening out here. One of the biggest ongoing hotel developments in Runaway Bay is the transformation of the former Jewel Paradise Cove Beach Resort and Spa into a major new resort called Royalton Jamaica Paradise Cove, an autograph collection, all-inclusive resorts which will be adults only. The property was acquired by the TUI Global Hospitality Fund and is being redeveloped under the Royalton Chic Resorts brand. The resort will have about 345 luxury suites, many with premium offerings like Diamond Club experiences and butler service. It will include multiple beachfront pools, specialty restaurants, a jerk hut, and entertainment and social spaces. The redevelopment is expected to be completed and open by late 2026. This project is significant in that it brings a new adults-only luxury all-inclusive experience to Runaway Bay, expanding the area's appeal for leisure tourism and supporting more international visitors. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. We'll keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.